Hey everyone, here's a question from ratio and proportion. I got this question from comment section. So the question is, if 36x and 49 are in continued proportion, find the value of x. What we mean by continued proportion? Here we have three terms, 36x and 49. So 36 will be our first term, x is a second term, and 49 is a third term. When we say that the given terms are in proportion, like we have three terms here, then the ratio of first and second, so this is very important. Continued proportion means the ratio, which means 36 is to x. The ratio of first and second term is equals to the ratio of second and third, which means x is to 49. I'm saying these two ratios are equal. Equal means they are proportion. So when ratios are equal, we'll say that they are in proportion. Therefore, I'll put here proportion sign. So this is what we get here. Now we have to use this and we have to find the value of x. Now if you have learned this, if the ratios are in proportion, we can use the formula. The product of mean is equals to product of extreme. So product of means is equals to product of extremes. What does this mean? Here in proportion we can see four terms, right? 36x, x and 49. So the one which are at the center, here we have x and x, they are called mean. And the one which are at the corners, like we have 36 and 49, they are called extremes. So the product means multiply, you have to multiply. So if for mean we have x and x, so we'll multiply. So x times x is equals to product of extremes. 36 and 49 are extremes here. So we'll multiply 36 and 49. Here we have to find the value of x. So x times x is x square is equals to, now you don't multiply these two numbers, you get very big number. Again we have to find the square root of it. But if you observe here, 36 is a square of 6. I can write this as 6 square, and 49 is a square of 7. So 7 square. If you have learned powers and exponents, you know that the powers are same. So what we can do here is we can take the common power. So bases are different, which means we'll multiply the bases and keep the same power. We get 2 there. So x square is equals to 42 square. So I'm saying x square is equals to 42 square. You can see that both are squares here. So therefore x value is equals to 42. Therefore x is equals to 42, or you can use a square root here. Take a square root on both the sides. So x square and then you're taking a square root. So 42 square and then you're taking square root. What happened? The square root and square will get cancelled because they are inverse operation. They're opposite operation. They get cancelled out. Or you can just compare and write x equals to 42. So that's it. This is how you can find the x value. I hope this question is clear. In case you have any question or doubt, you can drop a comment. I'll try to make a video on it. Thank you so much for watching.